Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, good morning. It's Monday, November 7th, 8:30 a.m. So we have a big time market manipulation right here. Let me just show you the swing trade newsletter that I sent out. And the picks and the comic explains it all. Here's the comic and the newsletter. Let me open up the newsletter. The futures right now are up 243 points. I just can't believe it. Why? I have no idea. So here's the newsletter. It's election 2016, and the market is up 300 points the day before the election. That damn PPT and HRC, they should be locked up, I tell you. The market's rigged, I tell you. Rigged. What's the PPT? I'll show you. You have right here, not pot stocks, but PPT with the stock market is called the Plunge Protection Team. It's the Federal Reserve, was a nickname given by the Washington Post. Breaking down, it was formed by an executive order. Right now, it's a colloquial group of leaders within the United States whose purpose is to ensure the nation's financial markets are efficient, competitive, and provide confidence for investors. Basically saying that they can't crash the market. Right here, time for the Fed to disprove the PPT conspiracy theory. The massive stock market rally in the last 9 months due to the secret government buying of stocks index futures respected to the stock market. It's exactly what they did. Look at the stock futures right now. How could they be up? See, right now the market was at 17. It broke under 17.9. It was like 17.8. If the market was down 300 points today, it would be at 17.5. It would be Black Monday all over the newspapers. Everybody would be in panic and the market would go down to 17,000, which it should do. Or it should stay the same and be flat. Instead, they come in and they raise futures 250 points is a complete manipulation. All right? Complete manipulation. It's utter bull, utter bull. The PPT, especially, it's just unbelievable what they're doing to this market. And this was in January of 2010 they did it. They're doing it now again. UVXY is down $3. Give me a break. It should be at least hanging. It's all the way down here. That's the line it makes from all this. Give me a break. DGAS didn't pop that bad. Look, this is what it should be right around here. Not all the way down here. It's complete and utter manipulation. What it's going to be enabling us to do, though, is trade and make a lot of money. Already this morning, I've already traded UVXY right now, and I have 100 shares left at 17.01. I've already cashed in a lot of money on UVXY this morning. I bought it at $16.22 was original. So UVXY is already made a lot of money. It was down at 16.01. Here it was pre-market down here. It's made a very steady climb all morning. You go to the 1 minute. So here's the climb it made this morning from no, way earlier than that. Here it goes, right here. Way earlier than that. It was right here. Way earlier than that. I bought it right here at 16.04. Added more right here at 16.18, and then it never looked back. I sold the first bunch into here, 16.72. Rebought it back through high in 17 right in here. and then it ran up into here, 1720, and it's just been a cash cow this morning. So I'm done for the day on my side, but the room's not going to be done. We just haven't gotten the day started yet. And on the swing trade side, we've gotten mostly into cash. Let me show you the swing and the stocks that we have. We bought Labu, Nugget, and UV last week, and we placed the covered calls and took profits on UV. Here's Labu up $1.44 right now, 5.4%. So a nice job on Labu. Here's the swings we have right now. We have a quarter position. We have medical marijuana and PHOT, half positions left into that. We had sold up. Wouldn't mind consider even buying some of that back. Sold it last month into 35 cents right here, MGNA. Where is it? MGNA right here. Sold there, and one more time, like 30 cents off, whatever. It's 30 cents. We have some of the position left. I wouldn't mind buying that one back. And Grow Life's the same. So here's MGNA right here on the daily. So it went all the way up to 26. Actually, it went to almost 30 cents and came down to 10. I wouldn't mind buying it back in here. There's some big election things going on. So let's keep an eye on this. And I wouldn't mind adding back some of what we sold into that. So let's do that. Another one is, I think it's this one. Yeah, American Cannabis is another one that I have on the radar that's made a nice move. And Cara, which we got into last week, also made a nice move on the way up. So let's watch those three on the marijuana side, and GWPH for guys that like really much bigger ones. There's another one right here. It's 116. GWPH. It's called GW Pharmaceuticals. Then you have this company's of real interest down here to me, which is Plug. Plug's very oversold. Nothing's really changed with the company from when it made really nice highs. Right up here at $1.70, and if we look on the weekly right up here at 228, stock's $1.28 coming off this. So let's take a little dip and a little buy and add that entry number one on Plug Power to today. So we have Labu. So there's a new pick for you. I told you I'd find you a good one, and I did. So this is a small entry number one. We'll do more tomorrow or on the way back up. So this is Plug Power. PLUG, small entry, and I like that plug right here at $1.27. There's two signals, 134 and 136 on the upside, so we can add through those. So let's get some at 130 in a small entry position. Entry number one, 11.7, done. We have FNJN. We already been half closed on that one right here. This was from 11.2. Let me show you the FNJN. Right here, made a nice move on this day right here. 10.31 went to $1.90, and then on 11.3 went to $1.71 and 1.67. So it was cleaned up into there. Cyber did real good for us as well, did a gap up, and this one also did well, CYBE. So those were from the swing. SYRX has done nothing. Zixi positions 3/4 closed. Monster Digital, nothing's happening with that one. Axgen, AXJN, I still have that one. Let me take a look. Here it is. Axgen took a dump, but it's down here. So let's see if it holds and goes back up. Maybe a loss for us. We'll see if it holds here. If it gets green, I'll buy some and average down and then break even on it. So that could be a strategy for anybody that's holding that Axgen. And then MOSI, we've already taken profits. That one's 3/4 closed. This one's 3/4 closed. UVXY, we sold a covered call right here, the 18 for $2. It went to like 4.63. We'll see where they open up today. And we may be able to buy back those options and resell them at another time. We'll see what happens. Another strategy I have, like we have on the UVXY covered call, is a short. I don't like the market right here, and there's a strategy. We have UVXY, where you buy it here at 17 and you sell the $18 covered call for 2 weeks for $2 and collecting that premium. And then if the stock goes higher than 17, you sell it at 17. If it goes higher than 18, you sell it at 18. You make 1 point there, and you make 2 points on the option, is 3 points. You're locked in to a nice $19 sale price. If the stock stays the same, you still own your shares at 17. You collect the 2-point premium, and now your new cost basis is 16, and you repeat the strategy. If it's below, it has a cushion all the way down from 17 to 15 on you, so you don't have to worry until it gets to that. The other strategy is doing this. We're going to short Facebook. It has limited upside. Facebook's going to go down and test $100, just like Amazon did. Look, Amazon, when it cracked, it went up to, and then it re-cracked, tested, and went a lot lower. Amazon is so much better than Facebook. So Facebook cracked, it went up, and now it's going to come retest the bottom of this. So we're going to short Facebook going under 120, going to go test 100. Here's what happens. Watch. So let's say you short 100 Facebook, betting for the stock to go lower at 122. When the stock gets to breaking down, let's say, and you're up 5, 6, 7 points, instead of taking a profit, this is what we'll do. We'll sell one put option, just like you're selling a covered call, of the 115. When it gets to 115, the premium will be $8. Okay, so here's what happens. If on expiration in 2 weeks, if it's under 115, the stock will get put to you. So we want it put to us because we're short. So it'll get put to us 100 shares at 115. We're short at 122, is 7-point profit. Plus we get to keep the 8-point premium, is a 15-point profit locked in, gives us at 115 a 107 cover and buy. It's awesome. Then at 115, if the stock is above, the same or above, it expires worthless. And you still own the Facebook short at 122, it's at 115, and you keep the $8. If it's above 115, you keep the $8. The cushion is to 130. And I don't think Facebook is going to 130. And that is like a covered call. It's called a covered put. And that's what we're going to do for the swing, is we're going to short Facebook and do a covered put. So I wanted to run that by you in a video today so everybody understood. And we're going to add that in right here. A Facebook short. So this is Facebook short at 122. 11.7. We're shorting it at 122.30. It's there right now. Okay? Anywhere above that is fine. Entry number 1. And then we'll short a little bit more as it breaks down or breaks up in our 2-buy strategy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sell the put. So this is going to be the Facebook covered put. not the covered call, the covered put. And we're looking for a strike price of 115 and a premium of 8. And we'll do it sometime here on 11 and change. We'll see what the date's going to be. Okay? And that's how the Mojo will work that. So you got Facebook right here, options. Go out to December 2nd. Scroll down to the puts right here, and you have at 121. So let's say we did it at 130, and now it's 120. These are worth $9. So at 120, now 122, at 112, these will be worth $9. The mid ones are 8. So these would be worth like $8 at 115. They'd go from $1 to $7 when the stock went under that. And that's what we're looking for. So these are the put options that we'll do. These put options, once the stock starts to tank, will go $5, $6, $7, $8, just like these are right here. $8, $9, $10, $16. Okay. And that's also what we have on the upside. So we have UVXY. I still have that 100 shares right there. I'm going to rebuy some back. There's a signal right here at 741. It's going to go through that. So I'm going to buy some more right here and go 200. I'll bid 17. I bought 17. I'll bid 17. I'll buy 19. I'll go 18. Done 18. I'll bid 18 now. See, that's me 18 right there. I got filled 18. I got one more at 17 right now. I'll cancel the 17. I'll be 18 bid with him. Watch. I go 18. I'll cancel the 18. A lot of 19s. I go back to 15. And I just chill. I'm in no rush. I'll buy it. Whether I buy it 19, 20 makes no difference. I've already made my money on it. I'm not going to buy a ton of it. I bought 5,000 shares this morning at 16.20, sold it at 70, rebought it back through Heinz, made all that money, and now I'm just chilling, not buying a lot of shares. I actually just want to get short Facebook right now and then start looking at doing that covered put and selling the covered calls on UV and doing the 18s on these shares I got right now. Here's another little one, eBio. All these patterns are predominant right now. The destruction, you don't want to buy stocks that are up here, they're going to get crushed. But all these are doing good. Look, you have I can't believe GoPro rebounded back up. It's unbelievable. But you have destruction. VRX is going to rebound up strong today. For anyone interested, going through $20 back on VRX. Here goes UV. We just bought some more. I'll buy some more right now. Buy 24. I filled, bought some more 24. Facebook's going to crack right now under 123. There's a signal right there. Once it goes under that, it's going to go to 122 and break down under that. So everything's looking great. I hope you enjoyed the Swing Trade newsletter. And again, the comic, this market's up 300 points the day before election. Damn that PPT and Hillary. They should be locked up, I tell you. The market's rigged. It's rigged. Rigged. Rigged, I tell you. Rigged. Okay. UV 1725 by 27 now. Got 600 up $65. Got a big signal right there at 20. He ain't getting none. It's going to go through 30. Going to plow through 1730 right now. And Facebook's going to dump under that 23. See what they're doing? See the 100 shares? Look, 1,300. They're hiding the shares. They're hiding the stock. There's a lot of shares that are hidden behind all, and this is probably one person that just presses the button and fills every single market maker in line. Here's the signal, it's going lower. Here's the signal on UV, it's going higher, right here. And as proof on that it's going there, I'll just show you right now. What time is it? It's 8:57. Here is what UVXY was looking like at 8 o'clock. Look, see, the same signal is right here at 7:37. Now he was there at 44. And the bid was 17.16. Now it's 25. See, this is when I've traded 1.2 million, now 1.7 million. Here it's down 312. Here it's down 323. How's that? So why would he be there at 1727? It's going up. So that's that. Another stock that interests me is Twitter because it's pretty strong here. And this one's actually gone up 3 days in a row. Oh, I know this one actually, look, I'm sorry. This one was up, yes, on a green. It's coming off that pattern. Keep an eye on this one. Let me show you a couple more. APVO. See? Destroyed. Look, it's all the way up here now. Nile. N-I-L-E. Is up at $9. So it's went from here all the way up here. Here goes UV. 28, 29, 30. Look, Magic Highway. Look. See? Now signals at 51. See him? 51. There he is. So that's reading the level 2. That's what I teach all the traders in Mojo University. You can see where the supply and the demand is. Now he's going to go to 28 bid, even though there's a lot of size there. Watch. Shows you it's really bullish. See? He'll get rid of him, and he'll go up to 27, 28. Let me show you a couple others. Semp. See? Same pattern. Destroyed, coming back up. Live. Look. Nope. DLTK. Yep. Destroyed. 2-day come up. IONS. Nope. DRWI. Nope. SHIP. Yeah, this gun got destroyed and did a 3-day run up. This is like the UV pattern. That's about it. There's nothing exciting on the news horizon there. VRX is looking all right. And that's about it. So we have positioned the Facebook for a short. We have positioned a small entry of plug power at 130, 131 for a signal to go through 134 and 135 and add through that. I'd add through the 136. Be the last guy to buy the last 500 shares. You're good to go on that. And what else? That's pretty much it. Let's wait for the election. Thank you so much for being a member of the Swing Trade newsletter. I'm making money with Mojo on UVXY, Nugget. I would consider maybe buying back. We sold up into 15, I think it was 15.10. Let me look. Nugget was sold 15.50, 70, and 30. And now it's back at 13. So let's do a little position on Nugget right here and re-get the Nugget ETF. So we have Nugget, it's 11.7, and we're getting Nugget at 13.50 entry. Entry number 1, and we'll buy higher and lower, whichever way it goes. Done. Okay? And the Facebook covered put, we don't know what that is yet, but let me put a line above and put this one here and that one below it because they belong together, like a pea in a pod. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. Enjoy the election and go out and vote. It makes a difference.